Hello everyone, we're gonna start by taking this low ponytail, then adding this clutcher to it. With that, we're gonna fold it out into a bun and securing it as well with this clip only, and it's done. Next, we're gonna start by taking this ponytail and then underneath it, we're gonna use this beautiful clip, taking the remaining hair at the top and then folding it out into a puffed bun. And now it is ready. Let's move ahead towards the next one. Here we've taken some hair at the back, joining them with a rubber band, then making a low ponytail with the remaining hair and then folding it out into the inwards direction and adding this clutcher for holding it tightly as well as to make it look more beautiful. Next, we're gonna take some hair and then folding it out. Then we're gonna use this clip on the hair, then dividing the remaining hair into 3 hair strands and then folding it out into our clip only. When it's ready, we're gonna take the remaining hair and just tightly securing it with this basic black clip. Next, we're gonna start by taking this low ponytail, adding the rubber band on some hair of it, then taking the remaining one and then folding them out into a bun and adding this clutcher to make it look more good, and it's ready.